Using Grok AI to generate your videos, you will notice that the free version of Grok is no longer available. Once you click on this create video and you post, let's just say I want to create a video. Let me drop my prompt. So once you drop your prompt, Grok is going to give you this. So you are going to see this video limit reached, upgrade to increase your limit or try again later. You know what we used to do before, if we see this kind of thing, we'll feel as if or it will look as if we've reached the limit for the day, then we'll switch our email. Me personally, I have about six different emails I use for my Grok AI to generate my videos. So now, because the free version is no longer available, once you click on generate, it's going to show you this. And if you click on try for free, you see that Super Grok, unlock Super Grok, and you see that is about 48,500 naira. 48,500 naira. That's if you are in Nigeria. And you can also click on try for free if you want to try for free. But this is not why we are here. And on this video, I'm just going to teach you two different AI tools that you can use to generate your videos that are completely free without paying a dime. Now, let's try the first AI tool. Now, the first AI tool we are going to be using is called Meta AI. Some persons don't know that they can actually use Meta AI to generate their videos. And guess what? Meta AI is completely free. You are not paying a single money, even if you generate up to 50 videos a day. So you're just going to click on Meta AI. I go to my app store or my Play Store. I go to Meta AI, search for Meta AI, and this is Meta AI. You can just install it. I already have Meta AI on my phone, so I'm just going to go over to the app. So now once you get to Meta AI, you are going to come to this place, this up part, click on that three dots. Then you are going to see chat. Click on chat. So once you get to chat, just click on create a video from photo if you already have the picture. But for us, we don't have the picture already. So once Meta AI to generate the prompt for the picture for us, then also generate the video for us. Now we are going to click on this plus button here. Click on it. So you're going to click on it and you are going to give Meta AI your image, but we don't have image. So we are going to click on this ask anything and we are going to paste the prompt. This is my prompt. I already generated my prompt. So I'm just going to send this prompt. Now let's wait for Meta AI to generate our images for us. So Meta AI normally generates about 4 images. So let's wait for it to generate our images. I already gave Meta AI my prompt. So now these are the images that Meta AI generated for us. These are the images I generated for us. So you can just decide to click on animate. Look at the down part. You see where they wrote animate here. You see where they wrote animate. So you can decide to click on animate and it's going to animate all the images for you. So now you see that Meta AI has animated all the images for us, generated it to a video. So now what we are going to do, if maybe what Meta AI generated for you is not something that you like and you just want to change it, just click on the particular image. You're just going to click on the particular image, then you're going to click on extend. So you can also click on extend. You can also click on edit. Let's say you want to edit it. So you can click on edit. Look at edit here. So you can edit it. So let's say you want to edit it. So you can just write what you want the video to be about. So let's just paste our video prompt here. Now let's wait for it to regenerate it for us. So now you can see that it is loading. So now you can see Now, the next thing you are going to do is you can also click on extend. If you want to extend the video, you can also click on extend. You know that this is also the features that Grok AI has. It's also on Meta AI, so you can also click on extend. So now once you click on extend, it's going to extend the video for you. You see it. So this is very, very good. Now the next AI tool we are going to be using is, let's just go over to the next AI tool that we are going to be using. So now you are going to go to your browser and search for Qwen 3.5. Now this is it. You're just going to click on it. It's called Qwen. Qwen. Click on it. Then it's going to take you to the interface of the AI tool. Now you are going to come over to this place. Then you are going to see try Qwen. Now it's going to bring you to this place and it's going to say login. So you're just going to log in with your email account. So click on login. Click on login. You are going to sign up with any of your email accounts. So they are going to tell you to continue with Google. Just click on continue with Google. Now, Qwen 3.5 also have app. You can also download the app, maybe with your Play Store or your App Store. You can download the app, but we don't want to use the app. We just want to use it from the site. Now, what we are going to do is to come to this place. Like I said, if you see this plus button, it means you should impute your image if you already have image that you've created. But for us, we don't have any image yet. So all we are just going to do is to click on this test part. Now we are going to paste our image, our prompt, so that it will generate our image for us. See the image that Qwen generated for us. This is the image that I generated for us. So I don't want it to be in 3D pizza style, like the one that Meta AI generated. But if you want it to be in a 3D pizza style, you can also tell it to make it be in 3D pizza style. Now all you are just going to do is to click on this image. So you can see that Qwen generated just one image for us, but Meta AI generated about 4 images. Now what you are going to do, you can just download the image here if you just want to download the image, but we want to animate it, we want a video, so we'll just click on create video. Click on create video. Now they are telling you to put in your video description. So this means, what do you want the video to be all about? Like I said, I already have my video prompt. So I'll just paste my video prompt here. Now once I'm done adding my video prompt, all I'm just going to do is to click on this place and I'm going to generate my video. So you can see that it's generating. You're just going to wait for it to generate. So now if you want it to be in maybe like you don't want this aspect ratio, because I'm using it for YouTube. So once you come to this down part, you look for the aspect ratio. You see 1:1, you see 3:4, you see 4:3, you see 16:9 and 9:16. But I'm using 16:9 because I'm using it for my YouTube video. So you have options to select your aspect ratio if you are using Qwen. So now Qwen is going to generate about 5 seconds video for you. So let's just play it and see what Qwen generated for us. So now you can see. So now you can use this to generate as many videos as you want. It's just that it's going to take about 1 to 2 minutes, but it's completely free. Now to download it, you're just going to come to this down part. You see this download button here. Click on the download button, then you are going to download your video. Then it's going to download into your device. So you can see that it has downloaded. So now these are the alternatives you can use instead of using Grok AI. So since Grok AI is no longer available for the free plan or for creating free videos, so you can use this tool AI tools to generate your videos. So if you want me to teach you on how to use Grok AI for free, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to do a detailed video on how you can use Grok AI for free.